The case of Total Petroleum Philippines Corporation versus Edgardo Lim and Tyreplus Industrial Sales Incorporated explores the importance of contract enforcement and whether a distributor's unauthorized transfer of rights justified contract termination. Let's break down the facts, the issue, and the Supreme Court's ruling. Total Petroleum Philippines Corporation entered into a distributorship agreement with Tyreplus Industrial Sales Incorporated, led by Edgardo Lim. The contract granted non-exclusive and non-transferable rights to distribute Total's products and contained a non-transferability clause, prohibiting the assignment of rights without Total's written consent. In 2000, Tyreplus allegedly changed its name to Superpro Industrial Sales Corporation. Lim informed Total that Superpro was merely a trade name change, but it was later discovered that Superpro was a separate corporate entity. Despite this, Total still entered into a new distributorship agreement with Superpro. Shortly after, Total terminated both agreements, citing a breach of contract due to the unauthorized transfer of rights from Tyreplus to Superpro. In response, Tyreplus and Lim sued Total for wrongful termination, claiming business losses and damages. The regional trial court ruled in favor of Total, affirming its right to terminate the contract due to the breach of the non-transferability clause. However, the Court of Appeals reversed the RDC's decision, ruling that Total was stopped from terminating the agreement since it had knowingly entered into a new contract with Superpro. The appellate court awarded damages to Tyreplus and Lim for wrongful termination. The issue is whether Total Petroleum Philippines Corporation had the legal right to terminate the distributorship agreement with Tyreplus due to the unauthorized transfer of rights to Superpro. The Supreme Court reversed the Court of Appeals ruling, reinstating the RDC's decision in favor of Total. The court held that Tyreplus violated the distributorship agreement by transferring its rights to Superpro without Total's written consent, in direct violation of the non-transferability clause. Total was not stopped from terminating the agreement, as it was misled by Lim's representation that Superpro was merely a trade name change. Edgardo Lim acted in bad faith, as he was the president of both Tyreplus and Superpro and intentionally misrepresented the corporate structure to Total. This case highlights the importance of upholding contractual agreements, especially when transfer restrictions are in place. The Supreme Court's ruling reinforces that misrepresenting corporate identities and transferring contract rights without approval constitutes a breach of contract and justifies termination.